Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn any boring desktop into a lively one by using the app Lively Wallpaper. So first, let's download and install the app. The first step is to press your Windows key. This opens the start menu. Go ahead and type in store and then click on Microsoft Store. So this opens a new window. On the search bar at the top, let's type in Lively Wallpaper and it should be the first app you see. So let's go ahead and click on install, and this will start downloading the necessary files to run this program on our system. Depending on how fast your internet is, this can take anywhere from a few minutes to maybe around 10. Okay, once installed, let's go ahead and click open, and this should bring up the Lively Wallpaper UI. So it comes pre-installed with a few live wallpapers we can choose from. So let's say I want the rainy aesthetic. Let's go ahead and click that, and we can manage it using this button at the top right, the control panel. So here we can set it on which screen it's on if we have multiple monitors, as well as how it is applied, whether we want it to span or to duplicate, etc. So for now, let's select screen because to keep things simple, I'll be using only one monitor. Okay, let's go ahead and close that. And you can click on this X button at the top right, the close button, and it shows you that it minimizes to your tray when you click on exit. So if you ever want to adjust your settings while you're using your personal computer, you can always do so by going to your system tray and going on double clicking Lively Wallpaper again. A cool feature Lively Wallpaper has is that you can also customize your wallpapers. So for example, we have the rainy wallpaper set right now. But let's say we wanted to add more rain. All we have to do is click on these three dots right here, click on customize, and bring up the intensity. So let's set it to 100. And the rain is much more intense than compared to before. Alternatively, we can also reduce the amount of rain. Let's lower it down to maybe 2. And there, we're barely getting any droplets. They are very minuscule in comparison. If you ever want to reset your settings, all you have to do is go back to the customizing window and click on this restore defaults button, and it brings everything to how it came packaged. There are lots of settings depending on which type of wallpaper you have, and you can adjust it and fine tune it to whatever suits your preferences. So that's it. That's how you can turn your boring desktop into a much more interactive and lively one. I hope you're able to learn something new and something useful, and thank you for watching.